on to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made these little cute party of four signs. I got my inspiration from Pinterest and I had seen these. I've really been wanting them, so I went ahead and made myself one, and I'm going to show you how I did that and how you can do it too. Okay, so I'm just using this 8.5 by 8.5 inch square board that I cut from some Luan board. You can use smooth plywood, just any kind of board will do fine for this project. Also, I cut 4 pieces of framing. I cut 2 long pieces for the top and bottom. They will be 8.5 inches for this project. Then I cut 2 short pieces. These are the side pieces and they are 7 inches long. Whatever framing you're using is fine. You don't have to use this particular kind. Whenever you're getting ready to do the framing, what you'll want to do is just measure the distance in between the two to get the length for your side pieces. I'm also going to be using this stain, Rustoleum stain in true brown for the frame. And I will be painting my sign board black today, and I'll be putting a white decal on it, but you can reverse this and definitely do a white background with black or whatever color you prefer. So I'm just going to be using this brush, and I'm just going to put a couple of coats of this black paint over the board, and you just want to make sure that it is well sanded and you have wiped it down to get all of the tiny bits and particles of sand and sawdust off your board. Now I'm just going to go ahead and stain all of the boards for my frame, and again I'm using the Rustoleum wood stain in true brown. And now I'm just going to let all of these dry for a couple hours before I move on and finish my sign. Okay, so now my sign board is dry and so is my stain on my frame. So now I'm just going to put everything together.
So this decal I actually cut using my Cricut machine, and I will actually leave some of these PNGs on my website if you guys are interested in downloading some of these party signs. And also let me know if you would be interested in maybe some of these decals. I'm thinking about putting them on Etsy, but I didn't know if anybody would be interested in those. So just let me know if you would be interested in that. And I will leave down in the description box the location where you can find those. So I'm just putting my decal on the sign and just making sure that I press it down really good with my little blade here, and then I'll just gently pull it up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching all of my videos, including this one. I hope you really enjoyed it. Leave me a thumbs up so I'll know if you liked it. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and check out more of my content, and I will see you guys in the next video.